Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On this video I'll be doing some banana fritters, so I'm just going to take you through my ingredients. I've got 3 ripe bananas, got some plain flour, vanilla extract, ground cinnamon, salt, brown sugar, and some ground nutmeg. Let's get into this video. So first, going to start off by mashing the bananas. You have to make sure your bananas are really ripe. Gonna mash the bananas with a fork. You can use a potato masher if you wish, but a fork works fine. That looks good. I've got 3 tablespoons or 45 grams of brown sugar, our vanilla extract. So we add in 1 teaspoon or 5 milliliters of vanilla extract, 1/8 teaspoon of salt or 0.6 grams of salt, or what you would call a pinch of salt. So just that amount, half of a teaspoon or 2.5 grams of cinnamon, and also half of a teaspoon of ground nutmeg. Just make sure it's leveled spoons. Let's just mix this in. Lastly, just going to add 1 cup of plain flour or all-purpose flour. Going to put it through a sifter. I'm just going to mix this until it's smooth. That's the batter done, so just time to go over and to fry our fritters up. So I will see you back in the next clip. So I've got my pan here on a low heat. I am using a gas stove, so medium to low heat would be good. I'm just going to add in about a tablespoon of sunflower oil. You can use whichever oil you wish. Gonna let that heat up. And that's our fritter batter. So we're just going to spoon these in. They're not meant to be like pancake, not thin like a pancake, so about that shape is good. Or you can make them as big as you want or as small as you wish. You want these to fry until they're brown on each side. So I'm frying these for about 2 to 3 minutes on a low heat, and then I'll flip them and cook them on the other side. I don't have that much batter left, just that amount, so maybe just 2 more fritters. Let's see how they're looking. Looking nice. Just kind of brown these a little bit more on the other side. Okay, these are looking great. I've got a baking sheet lined with paper towel, so I'm just going to let these ones sit and rest while the other 2 are frying. Our batter is done. These are almost ready to come out. I have turned the stove all the way down because it's only 2. I don't want them to be burnt. Gonna turn the stove off now. Put these on the same cookie sheet with paper towel, and then we'll plate up. So I'll see you back in the next clip. So these are our banana fritters. They're looking lovely. So I've got 1 teaspoon icing sugar or powdered sugar. Just going to sprinkle that on top. I'll leave all the measurements I've used today in the description box below. The powdered sugar is optional, so you could just leave that out. Okay, so it is a very simple recipe. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel, and also to turn on your notification bell so that you can know when I post. Also, don't forget to watch this video in 1080p for the best quality. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.